See students, in question number 6 of exercise 6.2, what we need to prove? BC is parallel to QR. First see the given data. A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ, OR. A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ, OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to what? PQ. AB is parallel to what? PQ. Then AC is parallel to what? PR. Okay, AC is parallel to what? PR. So, from this, you can use the basic proportionality theorem. Yes. And BC is parallel to QR. So, see here. BC is parallel to QR when it is possible, when OB upon PQ and OC upon CR. If you prove this. How you will prove OB upon PQ and OC upon CR? By given these two data. AB is parallel to PQ. You will take triangle OPQ. Okay, by BPT. Then AC is parallel to what? PR. Here also you will apply BPT. So I will directly write solution. No need of writing given data. Okay, to prove you can go in that manner or this manner. So in triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. Given, right? It is given AB is parallel to PQ. Okay, it is given in the question, so it will be in given. Then can we apply directly BPT? Yes. OA equals to AP equals to OB equals to PQ. OB equals to OB upon BQ, not equals to OB upon BQ. Name this as 1. Next triangle you will take. AC is parallel to PR. Which triangle? AC is parallel to PR? ORP. In triangle ORP, AC is parallel. AC is parallel to what? PR. AC is parallel to what? PR. So see, AC is parallel to PR. So what we will do now? AC is parallel to PR, right? So again BPT. It is also given. So we can say OA upon AP equals to OC upon CR. OC upon CR. Okay. Reason, this is also by basic proportionality theorem. I believe all of you know basic proportionality theorem statement. Okay, you should remember all the statement. Yes, and its proof. So what is that statement? If a line divides any two sides in distinct point, no, that is of converse of BPT. What is of BPT? If a line divides two sides into distinct point and parallel to one side, so it will divide these two sides in the same ratio. So OA upon AP and OB upon BQ. Okay, so from 1 and 2 you can see. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What it is then? From 1 and 2, see. OA upon AP, OA upon APR. LHS are same. So OB upon BQ. And next one is what? OC upon CR. So you can name this as third. So you got OC upon CR and OB upon BQ. So now from 3 you can say directly here. AC is parallel to what? QR. By converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. You know what is the statement of converse of BPT? Okay. That is, if a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. Right? So BC is parallel to QR. Hence proof.